Good morning, friends. Today I am telling you how to do a cache data cleared. Cache data is that uh, junk data which you are using that's stored in your memory. So if it is full, then your mobile processing is slow. So this you have to do settings and clear that data. So that you have to follow few steps which I am telling you now. First of all, click on your settings, then go to your system and device. This is your system and device. Now click on your storage. Now you are seeing this device storage and the cleaner. Now it is showing device storage cache data and the fourth number cache data, which is showing of which is less because I have cleared now recently only. But if you have so much of data that it will slow down your phone, so you have to clear it regularly. Now you have to click on cache data. Then it will show you that this will clear cache data for all apps. Then click on OK. Now it will clear your cache data and it will go to zero bytes. Okay, now you go to back. By doing this you will clear your all cache data from mobile, and now your mobile device performance may be improved and much better. And this you should do this type of things regularly, so that your phone doesn't work slowly according to you. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for this interesting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.